Hello Johan, how are you?
Thank you.
Let's go to show your aviary. Yeah?
Okay.
In Pakistan, everyone want to see your bird room.
Okay.
मैं बहुत excited हूँ यार इनका bird room देखने का. ये घर का थोड़ा सा देखें. What a beautiful view. ये सामने glass house है. जोहान के बैठने का. वहाँ पे coffee शॉफी ये चीज़ें इन्होंने रखी हुई हैं. So sir.
Okay. Welcome.
This is your bird room, yeah?
Yes, this is my bird room, and
I'm
here.
very excited to see your bird room. It is done, fellows.
Yes, it's very quiet now because I have only a breeding season, and the breeding season is stopped about June, July. I stop breeding, and then I start cleaning everything, make new couples, and put them together. And in the end of the year, in December, I start breeding.
How you select the bird, yeah?
Most important is to see that there are no family together.
Okay.
That's very important, and that's what I tell to all the breeders. Look, you must know what the background is from the birds.
Okay.
No family together, and then you put together what's for you important. The year you're breeding is for the season next year, because you know what you have, and there are things you want to complete or finish in that you said, okay, I need that young bird with that colors and that mutation. So that's important for yourself to make the right couples, that it's possible to breed that young birds that you need next year.
Okay, if you take some birds and they are putting together in a breeding box, but they are not liking each other, in that condition, what should you do?
No, not putting together and take them out as quick as possible.
Okay.
Because we call them lover birds,
Okay.
but they can really fight.
Oh.
And they can really fight. And every breeder has it once in the time that you come in your cage and you have a dead bird, and that's a pity. That is not the thing you want.
So when you're putting together a new couple, you watch them for hours or not?
Yeah, I'm free on the Saturdays,
Okay.
and when I put couples together, I do it on a Saturday in the morning.
Okay.
Because the whole Saturday I'm here to clean, to feed, and to look to the birds, and I can take some time. I have here a little step.
Okay.
And sometimes I name one coffee,
Okay.
and I'm sitting here very quiet, and then you can see what your birds are doing.
What they are doing.
Yeah, they look to you, but about 5 minutes they don't look to you, and then it's important to see if they like each other.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is very important, yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You should have time to watch
Take time.
while making couples, yeah?
Take time for your birds in every step you take.
And it's taking a lot of years to make something new, yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes.
I just noticed your turquoise engraving.
This is the graving. Yes. Yes.
Is it female?
Yes. The green one.
Yeah.
That's the female,
Okay.
and that's a gray wing,
Okay.
opaline turquoise,
Okay.
and the male is in the blue series, and the male is double factor cream wing.
The male is also split opaline.
And this one is not split opaline.
Okay.
The one in the cage
Okay.
here is single factor gray wing and split opaline.
Oh, okay.
And the female you see, it's a gray wing turquoise.
You have beautiful birds of waving too.
Yeah, yes.
Especially this lady. Very good color, yeah?
Yeah. I love her very much. It's very soft color.
Yeah.
And I'm curious what happens when I have new young birds from her.
So this is the gun fellow of the Johan Kip. Sir, so this bird.
Yeah, this bird is it's a male,
Okay.
and he's now about 3 years old, I think.
Okay.
And what you see is that this is dark green, but
Okay.
you can see always a light body. That's the reason is he's also owing.
Okay.
And this owing inside the bird.
Ewing bird, eh?
Yeah, Ewing bird
Okay.
and split blue. And this
Okay.
is one of the males where I'm breeding with.
Okay.
And you can see it's a nice bird to see. What I always say to breeders and starting breeders, it's very important to look to a bird, but more important is to take it in your hand.
Okay.
Because so much the size of the bird you can feel.
You can see.
So what I tell you that's very important is when you start breeding, and what you also see here is look for the size of the bird. This female has a beautiful size.
Yeah.
The mask is beautiful white.
Yeah.
And behind the head is black. So that's important that you can say it's a really good blue, and in this one it's a dark blue female. And that's important to breed a beautiful young bird. What we have here is also a female. It's it is a male, and also Ewing.
Okay.
And also what you can see is nice orange head.
Yeah.
That's a good mark, and that's also very important for the young bird.
Big bird.
Yes, also a big bird.
Johan की fingers आप देख सकते हैं. That is also very big. So you can see the length of the bird. It's a beautiful bird. Yeah. It's also a Ewing bird. This is the bird. Buy from Johan. Exercise. This is the male and this is the female. So John, how old are they?
This one is now the young bird. He's now 4.5, 5 months old.
Okay.
And she, I was looking. I think she is now. I think maybe 6 months.
Okay. Thank you very much for these beauties.
I hope they're doing well.
मैंने इनके पेरेंट्स देखे हैं अभी they are at developing stage. जो इनके पेरेंट्स हैं वो बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, बहुत अच्छे साइज में हैं और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ जब मैं इनको ब्रीड करवाऊंगा. Thank you very much for Vikas as well.
You're welcome.